Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Pilar Vlogs USA. For today's video is I am gonna do a egg challenge or itlog challenge. So this time I am gonna open my eggs. It's 1 dozen of eggs. 1 dozen. Look. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. So here is I'm gonna do. I'll try to drink it all. It's not cooked, it's raw, so I'm gonna eat it all. I'll try if I'm gonna finish all 12. Oh my goodness, it's gonna be so much fun. But first I'm gonna put my lipstick on, so it's much better to have a red lips while eating the egg, the raw egg. Oh my goodness, my lips are so dry because it's winter. It's so dry, guys. Oh, whatever I look. Okay, I'm done. And then I'm gonna do the first one. Oh my gosh, it's been a while I did not eat the raw egg. So let's see. Okay, are you ready? Because I am ready. Okay. Okay guys, I'm gonna do it now. This is the first egg. Oh my goodness, it's so yummy. To tell you guys that when I was a kid, my mom used to give me the egg to drink. Promise, I'm not kidding, it's serious, it's real. Yeah, so this is not new to me. It's yummy. One. Oh my gosh. I think I'm not used to it anymore. Second. I'm getting full already, guys. Second egg. Oops. Here's the yellow. Guys, I don't know if I can do this. I'm going to vomit. Ugh, my tummy is getting bad. Guys, I just ate 2. I can't do this anymore. Just only 2 I can. So next challenge is I am gonna cook some of it and then I'm gonna poke it to my head. Sorry, excuse me. I burp. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. I'm gonna cook 5 eggs and then the rest is not cooked. Okay guys, I'm done cooking my eggs. Oh my gosh. So this time I'm gonna put the eggs in here. I am gonna mix the eggs. Okay. 10 eggs. 5 eggs are cooked and 5 eggs are not cooked. So here's what I'm gonna do, guys. I'm gonna mix it. Mix everything. Mix it. Mix, mix, mix. Okay, there you go. So I'm done mixing the eggs, and here's the thing. I am gonna get 1 egg and then smash it to my head. If it's not gonna break, it means that's the hard-boiled egg. If it's gonna boom, you know, it's not a cooked one. So I am ready. Since I did not finish eating the raw egg, I just ate 2. And the second challenge is I'm gonna poke it to my head. Okay? So, I am ready. Are you ready? Because I am ready. Okay, I'm gonna choose 1 egg. This one. Let's see if this is cooked or not cooked egg. I changed my outfit because I was wearing white, so it's not gonna mess up. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Ow! Oh! Oh my goodness. It's hard. Ouch. It hurts. It's just like a rock. Oh my gosh. It's so hard. So here's the thing. If I'm gonna get a hard-boiled egg, I need to eat it. Okay? So I'm gonna eat it. I'm gonna eat the egg. Okay, 1 whole egg. Next egg. Let's see if it's hard or not hard. Oh my gosh, it hurts. Magkakabukol ako. But ayaw tong mapisa. Ah! It hurts, guys. Oh my gosh. I don't know if this is a hard or not hard. It hurts. Oh my gosh, I don't know, guys, if it's so hard. My head is hurt now. My head is hurt. Oh. My gosh, guys, my head is so hurt from that eggs. I don't know if this is cooked or not. I think much better if someone gonna poke it onto your head, because if you yourself gonna poke it, it means that you can control when the way you poke it. You can control it. But if someone gonna poke it to your head, it's not gonna control. So it's hard to play it alone. Guys, it hurts to my head. Oh, it hurts. Ouch. 9 eggs. So, i-check ko dito kung alin yung hinog at saka hilaw. Oh, ito ay hilaw. Oh my goodness. Kakainin ko na nga lang yan. Ilan na lang? 2, 4, 6, 8. I don't know, guys, kung kaya ko tong challenge na to. Hindi ko na yata kaya. Hindi ko na kayang kumain ng hilaw na itlog kasi nasusuka ako. So guys, yun, may natira pa akong itlog. Ipapakain ko na lang to sa anak ko yung luto na. Ipapakain ko na lang sa anak ko yung luto na, kasi mahilig naman yung bunso ko ng itlog eh. Ipapakain ko na lang yung sa kanya. And guys, this is all my vlog for today. Thank you so much for watching. This is a challenge that gone wrong, okay? I didn't make it.